Hey guys, not everyone knows this, but Austin Marine has their own app. We have our own app. Check it out. Here it is. Here's the homepage. It shows some of our beautiful boats, different products that are discounted, different categories: apparel, barrel holes, CNC props, boats. It also shows our Instagram feed live. You can click, it'll take you right to Instagram. You can go right back to the app, and there you are. Now we click on barrel hole. We've got the Dominators, and we've got the animal barrel holes, apparel, shirts, trucker hats, boats, mini doms, animals, Dominators, you name it. All our boats are here to purchase right here on our app. Now, let me show you something else that's really cool. Now let's go into this search bar here. Okay, that's where you can sign in or sign up. Here's all of our categories: boats, RTR, ARTR, hull and hardware, barrel hull, graphics, electronics, ESCs, motors, combos, batteries, cameras, servos, radios, ESC programming box, plugs and connectors. We don't have cameras anymore. I'm curious to see what's still on here. No cameras, but I'll leave that title category there because we just may get them again. Parts, cooling line, props, water cooling, steering, shafts and driveline accessories, motor mounts and rail systems, hardware, tape, glue and lubricants, hardware, antenna tubes, Y splitters, Teflon washers, you name it, all of our hardware. Parts. Props. Here you got all of our props. Now the part I wanted to show you guys that not too many people know of, and we even have this on our website: manuals. Look at these.